So this stinking cabinet door will not stay shut. The self-closing hinge is not self-closing anymore. It has broken and it's time to replace it. How do you replace it? How do you find that exact replacement part? It's not like there's a manufacturer model and label number. Check this easy method out. I found that if you use the Amazon app on the search camera feature, you can scan the item that is defective and it will automatically, using AI, find the correct product for you. Check this out. Look at that. It arrived in 48 hours. It is an exact replica of that part just from scanning it in. It figured it out. I do believe the Google Shopping tab app has a similar feature, but for me, I'm obsessed now with the Amazon app and scanning products all over the house. To replace the damaged self-closing hinge, you're simply going to remove it. Now, these cabinets have two self-closing hinges. I'm going to try to get away with just replacing the tops and see if that does the trick. Yeah, there's no easily identifiable marks on some of these cabinet hinges, so I was like, what the heck? How are we going to order the replacement? So when I saw that easy search feature on the Amazon app, I'm like, okay, it says we can just scan a picture and it will search its millions of products database and figure out the correct one. I didn't believe it. I didn't trust it at first. Okay, now that we have everything secured, let's test out our new self-closing. Replacing damaged hardware and self-closing hinges in your cabinets is a definite do-it-yourself project. Hey, I know you can do it. I'll see you next week.